Welcome back to the Tropical Update. It's Tuesday, September 5th, around 6 p.m. I'm Tom. We're going to be talking about Hurricane Irma, which has become a Category 5 hurricane today. We'll also be talking about Florida, and there are now mandatory evacuations in the Florida Keys. And we're going to be looking at the newest models to see where Irma is going. So let's first pull up our newest model, and there it is, our guidance. And looking at it, it has not changed much in the last 12 hours. So the computer models are getting in line with where it's really going to be going. As you can see, they're expecting it to make a turn to the north, and that looks like it's going to be sometime Saturday afternoon. But that brings it very close to South Florida and over the Keys. Next up, this is Winfield, and the orange that you see there, that is tropical force winds. The red near the center is hurricane force winds. And though it's Category 5, it's not a huge storm. It's sort of very compact, which is good and bad. Also, you can see the red on there is hurricane warnings, and also there are some hurricane watches up now. And here is the information on it at 5. It's 130 miles east of Antigua, and the winds are 185 miles an hour. That is a strong Cat 5. Pressure is 926 millibars, and it is still moving west at 15 miles an hour. They expect this motion for just a little bit more, and then it's going to start to do its little bit of a northwest turn, and that will tell us a lot probably in the next 6 to 8 hours what's going to be going on later down the line. And here's our official cone, and you can see they have it skirting just north of Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic, Haiti, just north of Cuba, and just a little bit south of the Turks and Caicos Islands. But you also see that curve that we were talking about. The weather conditions will deteriorate over the northern leewards real soon. That turn to the northwest is forecast sometime tonight. Irma will move over portions of the Leeward Islands tonight, and then obviously early Wednesday morning. They expect it to pass near or just north of Puerto Rico late Wednesday into Wednesday night. And the Florida Keys has a mandatory evacuation order. Miami-dade County will start their evacuations of low-lying areas and special needs people Wednesday. And here is an update. This is the same one we went over, but I want to go over it again. It's 130 miles east of Antigua. The winds are 185 miles an hour. It's still moving to that west at 15 miles an hour. Pressure is 926 millibars. As you look on our scale here, a Cat 5 is, with the storm surge, we're looking at 19 plus feet of storm surge. And the islands will have to deal with that later tonight. Well, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you check back with us. We're working on our late night update. So until next time, stay safe, and make sure you check back in regular with us.